Good morning, everyone. My name is Doug Bresnahan, and I'm with Andretti. Appreciate you all coming out this morning for what we are going to share with you. A very exciting announcement, actually two announcements this morning that pertain to Andretti and the Andretti companies. Before we begin, just want to take a few moments to just show our appreciation to Formula E and the FIA for what has been a fantastic inaugural season. We're very honored to be part of the championship and certainly excited to be with you here this morning. Many of you have probably observed a livery change this weekend for Andretti, and very excited to show some context behind that this morning. You'll have a lot more information here in just a few moments. At this time, I'd like to introduce everybody that's on stage. Oh, hello. I'd like to introduce everyone that's on stage here. At the far left, I have J.F. Thorman, Chief Operating Officer for Andretti, Roger Griffiths, Head of Motorsport Development, Rob Shattuck, Chief Technology Officer for TE Connectivity, and John Price, who serves as the Senior Vice President for Automotive for Europe for TE Connectivity. In January, you all know that Andretti was granted manufacturing status for the Formula E Championship. And the purpose, of course, is to develop future technologies for Formula E. We're very excited today to be part of the 8 manufacturers that are participating in Season 2. At this time, I would like to invite J.F. Thorman to share today's important announcement.
Thank you, Doug, and good morning, everybody. On behalf of Michael Andretti, who regretfully can't be here today, I am proud and pleased to announce for you the formation of our newest company called Andretti Technologies. Andretti Technologies will serve as the advanced engineering arm across all of the Andretti companies. And to give you more specifics and further details on that, I'll pass on to Roger Griffiths, as Doug said, is our Director of Motorsports Development, and Roger will share with you some of the more specific details of Andretti Technologies. Thank you for your time today.
Good morning, and thank you, as JF says. I mean, a little bit of the background behind why we're here today and how we've got here. When we embarked on the development of the new technology for Season 2, we realized that we needed to create some separation between what we were doing as Andretti Formula E and what we needed to do to develop the technology for the coming seasons in Formula E. And hence we created this new organization, this new company called Andretti Technologies. And from the outset, we sought to work with people, not just to buy in technology, but to actually be partnered with companies and organizations and individuals that really had the same ideas, philosophies and passion that we have for our racing. And the first partnership we actually established back in October last year with a company called Houston Mechatronics out of Houston in Texas. And their area of speciality was within electric motor development and power inverters. You know, they're a startup organization out of Houston, but they have a huge amount of experience in this particular area. And their background is the space industry. They all came out of NASA. So it's an exciting group of people. It's a company with a lot of unique approaches to the way they design and develop their products. And for us, the partnership has been a key to what we hope is the future success on the racetrack. Additionally, a local university, Purdue, very famous in the field of electrical engineering, has been highly supportive of us, both with human resources and also technical resources. And we think the combination of these two companies together is going to be very exciting for us. But you know, with what we're about to talk about in a minute, I think that takes us that next step further. It's an exciting partnership, a partnership that has already seen some innovations come through. It's already seen some product being developed for us, and we're very, very pleased with what Doug's going to bring.
Thank you, JF and Roger. At this time, we're going to roll out with our second important announcement this morning, and I'd like to announce that TE Connectivity, our friends here to the left, have been named a lead technical partner of Andretti Technologies. It's truly a collaborative effort. You may recall earlier in the year we announced TE as a partner of Andretti. It was primarily focused on our IndyCar platform, And then we announced a primary sponsorship with TE Connectivity with Simona De Silvestro's Indy 500 entry. And excited to say that we've been able to further expand on that relationship to create this lead technology partner program between TE Connectivity and Andretti Technologies. The partnership is really focused on accelerating development of the Andretti Technologies drivetrain for Formula E, but also goes well beyond that. And as Jay have said, it expands across all Andretti platforms, not just Formula E, but we're very excited about this relationship and certainly what it will prove on the track in the coming years. Part of the partnership requires robust integration with everything we're doing. Formula E will be, or sorry, Andretti Technologies will utilize TE Connectivity immensely across all platforms, and specifically in our trackside testing and trackside support program for the Formula E series. The partnership will feature colors of the cars you see today on the test car, so there will be brand visibility in a very exciting way, obviously through that testing program. And now I'd like to ask Rob Shattuck, Chief Technology Officer for TE, to say a few words.
Thanks, Doug, and this is great to be here. We've already been working with Andretti for some time, and this really cements and sets in place a great future relationship for us. For those of you that don't know us, TE Connectivity is the world's largest supplier of connector systems and sensor systems, and we particularly specialize in applications that are in harsh environments, and probably one of the harshest environments you can get is in motorsport. It's an incredibly challenging environment for electrical and data systems to be working. In fact, we've been involved in motorsport for many decades now, and on all the Andretti platforms for some time. So we're now looking to expand what we do in the connector and sensor space and continue the kind of thing we do with all our customers, which is co-development and co-creation and a lot of technology innovation. And in fact, you know, we've been investing in electric powertrains for over a decade now, bringing together our combination of sensor expertise, our expertise in high power systems, and our expertise in high-speed data systems as well. So combine all that into a harsh environment, and this is a really exciting opportunity for us to develop new technologies and work very closely with Andretti. We're competitive, we love being here. John, perhaps you could say a few words about what we do with some of our customers.
Yeah, certainly. Thanks very much, Rob. Thanks for the introduction. So we've been involved in the electronification of the powertrain for many years, and we see this as a real great opportunity where we can push the envelope of product development, specifically in connectivity and sensing solutions. And we really value this partnership, as we find that working together, we're able to bring, and we'll be able to bring solutions to our global customers quicker and smarter. And it puts us in a space where we can learn from the harsh environment a lot quicker and develop those solutions much faster and bring them onto vehicles hopefully quicker to benefit everybody long term. The co-creation with Andretti Technologies, we really think will help advance technology in the space to make greener, smarter, safer and more connected vehicles of the future. And we look forward to bring some of these technologies and developments from race to road. So, Doug, back to you.
Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Just to close out, I'm going to throw it back to Roger just to comment on the TE partnership from his perspective.
Yeah, I mean, as Rob said, we've actually been working together for some time now, and what we've seen is this spirit of cooperation, spirit of trying to push technology, innovation, try and find new ways of doing things, and in the developments that we've done so far, just with some of the key components of the motor and the inverter, we've been able to do things that perhaps we would not have been able to do normally or in quite such a straightforward manner. So the partnership, even though it's very new, is actually really generating technology already, and the excitement of being able to continue to push that and come up with new thoughts and ideas, not just for the immediate future, but for years to come, is an opportunity that I think both of us are realizing that we are just at the very start of this journey, and very excited on what it might bring to us. So.